Hey, today we're going to make creme fraiche, which is a simple cultured sour cream-like product using heavy whipping cream and buttermilk. It's very complicated. You just do that. And in case you missed it, here's a replay. What's really great about creme fraiche is it's an easy way to introduce yourself to culturing milk products. You just cover it up and then let's let it sit for 1 to 3 days. It's pretty forgiving, it doesn't need a specific temperature, and you'll know when it's done when it's nice and thick and rich like this and coats a spoon. If it looks good and it smells good, it is good. Creme fraiche doesn't lie. After the creme fraiche has been in my refrigerator for about a week, it starts to get a little too sour. If I have lots left, then I use it to make butter. So you just pour it into your mixer. Pour, 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 pour. Okay, got it all poured in. Now we're gonna do that. We're gonna turn it on. And now let's watch it go. Line a colander in your sink with a towel, and then you're going to take your butter and, wait just 1 second, there's some buttermilk. It's a very full circle moment right there. Okay, if you want to keep your buttermilk, you want to catch it, but it's up to you. You can use it to make more creme fraiche. I don't know for how long. I don't know if it just keeps recycling or not, but anyway, so you want to drain it and then you're rinsing it, and you're going to rinse it till the water comes clear. From what I understand, the more the buttermilk that you rinse out, the longer it's going to last in your fridge. Your last step is to salt it to taste and rub that all in, and there you go. You've got your finished butter. Let's just take a little nab of that and see how it is. It's pretty good. So, congratulations, you made butter. Your next step is to spread it on toast, preferably maybe warm toast. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.